Oil paintings are lovely, valuable, and pleasing to the eye. However, they can get dusty and dirty with time. Today we'll explore the best ways to clean an oil painting without damaging it. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the Printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Stay tuned to the very end of this video for more free organizing help. Now let's look at how to clean an oil painting. As time passes, oil paintings have the propensity to darken because of the accumulation of yellowing and grime of the coating. Since 1974, oil painting restoration professionals have used Gainsborough products to uncover color and detail which has been obscured through the years. Let's learn how to clean an oil painting safely using these products. However, I do add a word of caution. I am not a professional art cleaning specialist. Use this information at your own risk. Improper cleanup can damage a painting. For that reason, we suggest that novices engage paintings with great care when attempting to clean. Before cleaning a painting of significance or value, always practice. You'll want to be well able to clean your oil painting without damaging it. If in doubt, take it to a professional. Here's my list of materials needed to clean an oil painting. Gainsborough Emulsion Cleaner, Gainsborough Varnish Remover, Gainsborough Neutralizer, Gainsborough Varnish, 6 cotton swabs, surgical cotton, surgical gloves, and a little plastic container. Gainsborough has its own list of procedures for using their products, which I will link below. The procedures for removing household dirt, tobacco smoke, and yellowed varnish from oil paintings are the same, only the cleaning products are different. Gainsborough's oil painting cleaners are based on time-proven museum formulas. Avoid using water-based formulas. Water can seep through minute cracks and penetrate the canvas size, causing the paint to flake off in time. Before starting, be certain to take a photograph of the front and the back of the painting. Then take a photograph upon conclusion for comparison. Now let's look at how to safely remove grime from an oil painting. Follow these directions for using Gainsborough's oil painting cleaners. Again, you'll want to be sure to avoid using water-based formulas. When in doubt, trust the cleaning to an experienced professional. Now let's look at how to clean an oil painting before varnishing. As a precaution, you'll want to use Gainsborough oil painting cleaners according to the directions provided, which I will link below. Also, make certain that the painting is completely dry and moisture-free. Next, you'll want to apply the varnish according to the instructions provided with your specific product. Now let's look at how to remove old varnish from an oil painting. You'll want to try using the gentlest solution first. Also, only use a professional brand varnish remover such as Gainsborough. Be certain to follow the varnish remover instructions provided with your particular product. Now that we've covered our bases, let's look at how to clean an oil painting. Step 1. Lay the oil painting to be washed face up on a piece of paper. To be safe, wear gloves to protect your hands and make sure you have sufficient ventilation. Also, be gentle and careful not to press down on the canvas too much or you'll stretch the canvas. We suggest using a sheet of linoleum placed under the area of the painting you're working on to avoid excessive pressure on the canvas. Step 2 is to apply Gainsborough Neutralizer onto a sheet of cotton wool or white cotton fabric and gently wipe over the face of the oil painting to wash off the surface dirt. To be absolutely safe, utilize a cotton swab to test a corner of the oil painting with Gainsborough emulsion cleaner and varnish remover to ascertain which product will be best to wash the painting. Emulsion cleaner will remove grime and smoke, whereas varnish remover will remove yellowed varnish in most cases. Next, dip your cotton swab in the Gainsborough cleaning product you've selected. Utilize a rolling motion as opposed to a scrubbing motion when applying this cleanser. Watch your cotton swab cautiously to be sure that you're eliminating just grime or varnish and not the paint. Don't dip the swab into the cleanup product again once it's been used. Instead, reach for a new cotton swab. We recommend cleaning a 2-inch area at a time, and after that, neutralizing the region with Gainsborough Neutralizer prior to proceeding to another area. We also propose doing one type of section at a time, such as doing all of the sky at one time, and then the trees, etc. The reason for this is it's simpler to watch for any color that could start coming off, and different pigments respond differently to cleanup. Remember, as stated earlier, always take before and after photos before you clean the entire painting. Pay close attention to these common myths on how to clean an oil painting, and don't make these mistakes. One myth is to clean using starchy food. One of the biggest myths with cleaning oil paintings is to use starchy foods such as bread or potatoes. But this isn't actually effective and could end up damaging your piece. Using starchy food or bread could also leave crumbs and excess residue on your painting. Avoid attempting to clean with baby oil. Another common misconception is that baby oil will remove any dirt from the surface of a painting. Although it's soft and may not harm the paint itself, baby oil can dry in a way that leaves your painting with an unwanted stickiness and shine. This sticky texture could then make your painting even more susceptible to dirt and exposed to the elements, so it becomes even harder to clean as the surface of the painting is no longer dry. Another problem is, rather than cleaning, baby oil can also act as a glaze, subsequently enhancing the colors of the painting and changing its overall appearance. What if you just need to store your oil painting? Take a look at these tips to store it properly. The best way to store art is to follow the following steps. Wrap your art in brown paper. Wrap it up in bubble wrap. To protect the corners, place frame corners on all 4 of the corners. Then place your wrapped up artwork in a solid box, such as one used for a mirror. For unframed works of art, use plastic sleeves with acid-free cardboard to make sure the paper doesn't bend with time. I hope you found this information beneficial and feel better prepared to clean your oil painting. Please subscribe to my channel for tips and tutorials on how to clean everything in your home. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I also have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I will link that information for you in this video description. Thanks for watching.